Hello everybody, Norman at Tyre Devotion. Welcome to another one of our tutorial videos. Today's tutorial is going to be on the My Inspection Results section of the Customer Priority area. So this is the landing screen that you see when you log in. There is two ways to access your results. One is to click the tab on the menu at the top which says My Inspection Results, or if you scroll down a wee bit, you'll see inspection results down at the bottom as well. You can access that from both areas. So if you click on the My Inspection Results, this will take up a list of any vehicles that have been checked by Tyre Devotion. If you have multiple vehicles, the multiple registration numbers will show. This will show you a list of any vehicles we've done. There is a history tab because it only tends to show the newest inspection result we've done. So if you have winter and summer tyres, you have to click the tab to slide across. This will show you both your winter and your summer tyres because it will only show the freshest results under there. So to access your results, if you click on the view section, that will take you into a snapshot of your vehicle. This gives you registration number, make and model of the car, when the inspection result was done. There's then, on the left-hand side, there is a picture of your car which shows the tyre depths and conditions of tyres or any reports we've got on that. There is more detailed information on the right-hand side which just shows you the tyre depth, tyre size fitted to the car, the load index, the make and model of the tyre, and the dot code. The dot code is the age of the tyre. This is in the number format, which is the week and year the tyre was built. So that tyre was built in week 33 of 19. So that information is something we should be trying to capture. We can't get it on every tyre, but we get it on most. But that information will be there if we manage to get it. There's then in here, if it was winter tyres, it would say yes. And if it's run flat tyres, it would say yes as well in that, in any conditions in there. So that's a quick overview. If I go back and look at one of the other results we've got, if your car has a reddy orange colour to it, that means we have things in there that require urgent attention. So on this vehicle here, you can see same information again is tyre depth information, and then there is some information further from there. So you can see there that this tyre is got some age concern. It's just an advisory because that's a tyre that's now 10 years old. The orangey red one here has a tyre that's below 1.6 millimetres. And then under condition, there is various things that we can write in there or put in there to allow you to know why we're advising that information. So if you have a vehicle that has some advisories or some urgent attention required, there is a request a quote button. If you click on that, that will then take you to a form to fill in. If you just fill in that information, most of the information should be filled in if you have your manage account section up to date. So your name, contact phone number, your preferred contact method, your address should be filled in. You then have an option to put in, if you're looking for a specific tyre, whether it's budget, branded or mid-range, you can tick 2 or 3. We'll deal with that. If you're looking for summer or winter tyres or all season tyres, you can click that button, and any additional information you think would be handy for us, you can fill that in and then just click request a quote. So that is the My Inspection Results. A lot of information in there. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop us a message. Hopefully that covers everything in the My Inspection Results. Thank you for being a Tyre Devotion Priority Customer Card holder, and we look forward to seeing you all soon. Thank you.